What is the Pac Man? The Pac Man is the fastest automatic pallet inverting system in the world, as it can achieve 120 pallets per hour. This machine is equipped with a patented mechanism called the APS that has changed the pallet exchanger industry. APS, short for automatic pallet shift, is a system designed to transfer loads efficiently by allowing the origin pallet to move sideways while the destination pallet slides underneath the load after it has been momentarily tilted to 120 degrees. This simple but revolutionary concept has significantly improved the functionality of traditional pallet inverters, which originally required physical involvement from the operator. For the first time in history, products that could be tilted during pallet replacement can now be processed at extraordinary speeds. Why did we design it? We developed the Pac Man to meet the rising demand for increased efficiency and logistics operations, primarily in the food, beverage, and 3PL sectors, where many companies need to change a high number of pallets per hour. How does the pallet change cycle work with the Pac Man? The load and the destination pallet travel down the conveyor simultaneously and enter onto these movable chain conveyors. These movable conveyors are a key point of the system, as it allows the machine to achieve its maximum speed of 120 pallets per hour. Once the movable conveyors shift the load and destination pallet into the machine, two pallet holders secure the load and destination pallet. The Pac Man then tilts the load to 120, and as this is happening, two lateral side pressors activate to further secure the load during this part of the operation. Once it reaches 120, the platform slightly separates itself from the bottom of the load so that the automatic pallet shift can happen. The APS shifts the origin pallet sideways while the destination pallet slides smoothly underneath the load. The process concludes with the entire load, now positioned on the destination pallet, being tilted back to its starting position. Both the load and the empty origin pallet exit the Pac Man and are moved along the conveyors to their designated area. What types of products can the Pac Man handle? The Pac Man is one of the most versatile solutions in our range of production, as it can handle just about any product in the world that, of course, can be momentarily tilted. What are the advanced features of the Pac Man? The Pac Man is equipped with a patented mechanism called the APS that has revolutionized the pallet exchanger industry. APS, short for Automatic Pallet Shift, is a system designed to transfer loads efficiently by allowing the origin pallet to move sideways while the destination pallet slides under the load after it has been momentarily rotated or tilted. One of the most impressive aspects of this solution is its speed. As said, it's capable of performing 120 pallet exchanges per hour. A key component of achieving this rate of speed are the movable chain conveyors that shift to further speed up the in-feed and out-feed process of the operation. Another unique feature about the Pac Man is that it can stop at 90 degrees instead of a full tilt to 120. This of course depends on the type of product that is being handled, but in cases where a 120-degree tilt isn't necessary, the operation is even faster, as the system saves seconds not tilting all the way back. So if you're looking for an automatic pallet changer that is both highly precise and efficient, this is one of the fastest, if not the fastest solution on the market. Especially suitable for high volume production flows, the Pac Man can handle a very high number of pallet changes every single day. However, if you're not sure if this machine is right for you, don't worry, our experts will guide you in choosing the perfect solution from over 50 different machines. My final thoughts on the Pac Man: if you're looking for an automatic pallet changer that is both highly precise and efficient, this is one of the fastest solutions in the world. Especially suitable for high volume production flows, the Pac Man can handle a very high number of pallet changes every day. However, if you're not sure if this machine is right for you, don't worry, our experts will guide you in choosing the perfect solution from over 50 different machines.